Okay, here we have another transformations question. This time we're being asked to enlarge the shape. It's not a triangle, but we're being asked to enlarge the shape by a scale factor of -2 using the centre of enlargement 0, 6. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify my centre of enlargement. There we go. Okay. What I then need to do is I'm going to work out the distance from from the centre to each point. So with this one, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 up. So -2 means I'm going to go in the opposite direction and twice as far. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm going to go down 2. So my first point is going to be there, and that of course relates to this one. If I go to my next point, I go 2 to the left and 2 up. So I'm then going to go 4 to the right and 4 down. So 4 down will look like this, which takes me to there. And then the next shape is 2 to the left and 4 up to get me to this point. So I'm going to go 4 to the right and I'm going to go 8 down, which takes me to there. And then finally, I can do this in any way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go from this point here and I'm going to say that I've gone 2 to the left. So the inverse of 2 to the left is going to be 4 to the right, which is going to end up with me going there. Okay. So once I've done that, I can then join my sides up, just like so. So one there, one there, one there, and the final one going back to the beginning, which is there. Okay. So remember, if it's negative, then you go in the opposite direction by however many. Okay. If it's a fraction, then you go the fraction of the distance. Okay. So yeah, don't forget, if it is fractional enlargement, then the enlargement will be smaller, which doesn't seem to make sense, but it does in maths. Okay. All right. Thank you all. Bye for now.